Hey guys. Hey, my name is Travis Falter. I'm a owner of Stratagem Builders. I just kind of wanted to come in today. I rented a backhoe and I was gonna just give a quick tutorial on how to run it. I'm working on digging a foundation for a house that I'm building. So if you're in the process of building a house or just want to do little small projects, watch my videos. I got a lot of stuff on here that I think you'll like, and I'll have a lot more to come. So subscribe if you want to. Watch my videos. Hopefully you like them. I like them. All right, guys. So here's the 420E Cat backhoe. It's got the bucket on the back and bucket on the front. Pretty good size backhoe. You can see on this side, this is the enclosed one. It's got a nice radio inside. You can listen to tunes while you're digging your dirt, but it's your bucket on the back. So I'll just kind of show you real quick how to run this thing. If you look inside here, pretty good size of cab. So if you look here, got a bunch of buttons. I mean, there's a lot of buttons in this thing. Don't be afraid though, it's not too bad. But up here you got the key. You have to have the parking brake on, which is right here. You have to have that set. Pull it back to set the brake. It's got to be in neutral to start it. Forward is up, reverse is down. So as you can see right there, the parking light's on. But we'll come back over here, give it a start. Also, these armrests on both sides have to be down to start it. Over here you've got heating, air conditioning. Middle is off. Obviously your temperature. This is your fan speed. Got your lights up here, windshield washers, and your drive. So yeah, this is your fuel. You got all the temperature gauges and RPMs right there. So back here, well, let's just show you up here real quick. You got a horn, stuff up here. I don't ever mess with those. Obviously I'm not a pro at this, but your levers to move your seat are right underneath here. You can spin it around, and you've got your hand controls for your bucket. So to pull these back, you get them a little bit closer to you. Just pull that back, and then you're a little closer to your controls. Over here, you've got a lock for the whole bucket arm. So you pull this back, that unlocks your bucket. These two sticks over here is your stabilizers. That one's on the left side. This one does the right side. So put those down, and then right here you got your left one. This puts your bucket out. You push it forward. Actually, I'll tilt this so you can see it better. If you push it to the right, it's going to move your bucket to the right. Push it to the left, it's going to move your bucket to the left. You push it forward, it's going to raise your arm. Pull it back, it's going to bring it back to you. So that's the left side. The right side, if you go right, it's going to move your bucket. It's going to open it up. You move it to the left, it's going to close your bucket. You move it forward, and it moves the whole bucket forward. And so there's two forwards on this thing. You got the left side, which is going to move the arm, and you got the right side, which is going to move the whole thing. Obviously, when you pull it back, it's going to move the whole thing back. So you can speed this up or go slow if you want. I kind of keep it on the slow speeds because I'm not a pro at it yet. But we'll pull our stabilizers up, and then we'll lock our bucket. And then we'll go back to the drive position, but you got to put these forward, obviously. It's a little stiff. Push that forward, and you can spin back around. So that's pretty much all the controls. The bucket, the front bucket, you pull this back and it's going to raise your bucket up. So you can see that. You go to the left and it's going to tilt your bucket up. You go to the right, it's going to tilt your bucket down. And then forward, it's going to put your bucket to the ground. We'll drive it a little bit and show you. Raise your buckets up. This is your emergency brake. You got to push that forward to get it in drive or reverse. And we're going to push that down. We're going to go in reverse. So you can use your little thing here. Helps you to steer better. And then go up the hill. Put it in. Push that forward. And you're in drive. You gotta be kind of careful in these backhoes because they're kind of tippy from side to side. You don't want to get any sideways on any steep hills or anything like that. It can get a little scary if you do that. You don't want to tip over in this thing. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos. I'll be posting a lot of stuff on here, so if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to get on my updated videos, and hopefully you like them.